Great leaders don't set out to be leaders, they set out to make a difference. We at Udaipur Colors, in our Architects and Interior segment, are in conversation with one such leading architect of Udaipur, Mrs. Priyanka Arjun. She's versatile and the founder of our company, Priyanka Arjun and Associates. Thank you, Priyanka ji, for joining us today.
Most welcome.
In a world full of trends, I want to still remain a classic. This is exactly what came to my mind जब मैंने ये इतनी beautiful property Rami Royal, which has been designed by you, उसे देखा. तो guide us something कि आप इस तरह के projects, when you take up these projects, what goes into your mind, and what kind of projects your company does?
To answer the last question first, we do all sort of projects.
Okay.
Working in Udaipur has taught me one thing, that you cannot be choosers. There is a limited amount of work which is available, और उस काम को आप best way में present करो. That should be the aim of it.
Okay.
And be this project or any project, this ये तो बहुत ही सुंदर site के अंदर established है. तो हमारे पास पहले से एक task था कि working on an area of 4 lakh square feet. उसके ऊपर हमें best possible way में एक resort को present करना था, जो कि एक नॉर्मल जो उदयपुर में ट्रेंड है होटल्स या रिजॉर्ट्स बनाने का, उससे अलग भी दिखे. एट द सेम टाइम जो रिजॉर्ट्स का फंक्शन होता है, गेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग सारी सुविधाएं भी उनको दे पाए. सो वी वर्कड इट अकॉर्डिंगली.
Well, it's a wonderful way that you've chalked out, and creativity can sometimes be letting go of certainties. जैसे कि मैंने इस project को देखा, I think there are so many elements जहाँ पर it has gone out of certain ways, like it has broken the stereotypical ways of designing. तो जब आप कोई project लेते हैं, जैसे कि आपने मुझे बताया कि ranging from 15 acres of land to 500 crores of project to a 1000 flat apartment, बहुत ही diversified portfolio आपके पास है. So what goes through your mind, and how do you see through the project?
Seeing through every project is same,
Okay.
because there are steps that have to be followed. But the most important step is concept design. सबसे पहले आपको as the main designer, as a principal architect, first thing that I have to answer myself that what I want from the project, मुझे इस project से क्या चाहिए. And then वो discussion होता है जो firm में designers हैं उनके साथ में, that what should we go for, because हर project 2 साल 3 साल, कुछ projects 4 साल में भी बनते हैं. जब आप concept design करके उसको words में लिख दो project के बारे में, तभी आप उस चीज़ को 5 साल तक एक ही form में convey कर सकते हैं.
A documented approach.
A documented approach, and which stands the test of time.
Agreed.
That is most important.
I think जब इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट होता है, और जैसे मैं आपके बारे में जानता हूँ, आप you're not only an architect, you provide interior designing also, landscaping, and in the end graphics also to the customer.
Everything.
So it's one complete solution under one roof.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा सा उस थॉट प्रोसेस के बारे में भी आप मुझे बताएं कि एज ए टोटलिटी जब आप प्रोजेक्ट को देखते हैं, in terms of time, adhering to the time limits also, and सब एजेंसी से कोऑर्डिनेट करके चलना, how do you manage it all?
So yes, we provide architecture, interior, landscape, and now we are also building the few projects which are close to our hearts, so that we can make it the way we want it to be.
Okay.
And I believe architecture, interior, landscape अलग-अलग नहीं हैं.
It goes all together.
Everything goes together, तभी थीम पूरा निकल कर आता है. अगर मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ किसी सोफा पर, वो सोफा कौन सा होगा, और उस सोफे से खिड़की के बाहर मुझे कौन से पेड़ में से कैसी छाया आएगी, I should know that, then only you'll be able to complete a holistic picture of the space that you are designing. Otherwise, आप एक I have seen many places जहाँ एक बहुत amazing modern घर है, जिसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट्स ज़बरदस्ती उसको सॉफ्ट करने के लिए लगाए जाते हैं, which doesn't work. It will not bring the best out of the project.
Well, it has to bring functionality also at some point of time.
Everything has to be there, वरना डिज़ाइन फेल हो जाता है. बहुत easily फेल होता है डिज़ाइन.
जी बिल्कुल. And in modern era where designs are so rapidly changing, जैसे कहा जाता है कि in movies Amitabh Bachchan is liked by all genres of people, be it a child or one's grandfather. In a similar fashion, architecture में भी a design should give justice to the time it is being built in,
Yes.
and also it should earn timelessness also.
That-
तो आप जब कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन करते हैं, how do you make sure कि वो आज भी सुंदर दिखे and in the coming times to come वो still उसकी एक सुंदरता बरकरार रहे?
This thing I have learned over years because sometimes what happens is you design a space और बाद में जो client की requirement होती है उसके according उसमें changes होते हैं तो कुछ डिज़ाइन ख़राब हो जाता है. But now what we do is हम client के साथ we do complete 1 महीने का proper research about
Okay.
client's requirement also.
Okay.
कि आपको क्या चाहिए, future requirement क्या हो सकता है, and then about the building का requirement with
जी.
respect to the materials also.
Okay.
There are few things that do not change, that have not changed over centuries, which is like the sunlight. वो वहीं से आएगी, वहीं जाएगी, उतना ही shadow pattern create
जी.
करेगी. So that element is very important to us. Then how you have light inside the house, how it is functional, how it is not taking, how it is protecting you from environment without consuming loss of energy. few वो आप हर जगह ध्यान रख सकते हो.
वेल इट्स ट्रू कि एक अच्छा आर्किटेक्ट जो है वो यूटिलाइज करता है जो नेचर के रिसोर्सेज हैं, लाइक द वे यू मेंशन सनलाइट कहाँ से आ रही है एंड विंड डायरेक्शंस एंड ऑल दैट, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ऐसे कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वेयर यू हैव स्क्वीज्ड इन द साइज, जो एक साइज ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बहुत छोटा था एंड यू हैव मेड फुल यूटिलाइजेशन?
Yes, we have worked on couple of projects which are very small,
ओके.
but still all the residences they get light at the center of their, in fact every residence that we design we give a skylight so that the center is not dark, there is light coming inside, and it also creates good air circulation. So yeah, we incorporate lighting as a thumb rule. Lighting design सबसे पहले बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, और एट द सेम टाइम जगह ओवरली लिट भी नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज हम राजस्थान में रहते हैं तो ये ध्यान रखना ही पड़ता है कि साउथ में कितना विंडो देना है, वेस्ट में कितना विंडो देना है, अगर देना है तो उसमें शेडिंग डिवाइस कितना देना है. ये सब चीज़ें कॉलेज में हमको बहुत अच्छे से सिखाई जाती है और उतना ही जल्दी हम भूल भी जाते हैं. या इसको याद रखें तो बेहतर है.
आई थिंक दीज आर सम थंब रूल्स.
दीज आर यूनिवर्सल रूल्स. सूरज जहाँ है वहीं रहेगा, उसको अच्छे से यूज करो, so it works for your benefit.
And if I were to ask, ऐसा कोई एक signature style of a Priyanka Arjun design, if it has to be ki, what is it?
No, it's not there. Everything is very very different. Every project comes with a very different thought because to start with clients are different. Their needs are different. Site अलग है, जगह अलग है, और जो एक बार बना दिया है वो वापस क्यों बनाएंगे, फिर मजा ही क्या है बनाने का. Yeah.
Agreed. That is what challenges yourself also as a person कि
Yes.
कुछ नया बनाएं and give it
Yeah.
to the customer.
Yes, designing in itself is a very very satisfactory business if you do it right.
That's wonderful to hear. Because
Yes.
It's always good to interact with people who are happy with what they're doing,
Yes.
and you
I am.
certainly are one of those. Sometimes they say a great design is where the designer captures the spirit of the client and the essence of the space.
Yes.
Well, आपने जैसे बताया you've got a lot of good projects already under your hat. तो आप कैसे, how do you market yourself in today's era?
अब शायद इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, but when I started in Udaipur back in 2012, nobody knew me. I had to make myself visible as in, and I learned it very early that you have to document your work. Till date, I use social media very, very aggressively.
Okay.
I use social media, I connect with people over platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, ArcDaily, Architizer, and it has helped me get at least 50% of my projects and
Okay.
good projects. It has made me jury of international design competitions in New York.
That's wonderful.
And it has taken me to places where I cannot reach. यहाँ उदयपुर में बैठ के मैं हर जगह नहीं पहुँच सकती थी, but the internet has helped me. It has exposed me and my work to the world, and it has connected me to brilliant people across the globe.
That's
Yes.
really commendable. एंड लाइक यू मेंशन, जैसे आप डॉक्यूमेंट करते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी गुड एज अ पर्सन, बिकॉज कितनी बार अपने पास बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं एंड वी फॉरगेट टू डॉक्यूमेंट इट. कोई गलती कहाँ करी, वी रिपीट इट एंड इट्स हार्ड टू रिपीट इट.
I have a sheet in my office which is a learning sheet जिसमें एक एक्सेल शीट है.
Okay.
हर प्रोजेक्ट में क्या बेवकूफ़ी की, किसने की और वो कैसे वापस नहीं करना है. दैट्स अ लर्नर शीट एंड वी आर ह्यूमंस, आर्किटेक्ट्स आर आल्सो ह्यूमंस. गलती होती है, हमसे अभी भी होती है, ऐसा नहीं है. आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फ्रॉम पास्ट 15 years. स्टिल अगर आप सेम बॉक्स रोज़ बना रहे हो तो वैसा का वैसा बन जाएगा. बट हम रोज़ नई चीज़ बना रहे हैं, हम रोज़ नए मटेरियल लेकर आ रहे हैं, हम रोज़ नई चीज़ को खड़ा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो इट्स एन एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड इट विल हैपन.
एंड कभी आप
And that should not scare you.
Yeah, that's totally true.
Yes.
You should never be afraid of failing and making
Of
mistakes.
making mistakes, yes.
तो ऐसा कभी आपके साथ हुआ है कि आपको लगा हो कि you've made a terrible mistake and the client was extremely happy about it?
ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
So it's all been
No.
documented well and not.
It's been planned. We have made 4 or 5 mistakes. I can count them on fingers and I remember. And the key is not to ever make the same mistake again. Yeah.
Well, now we move on to the most interesting part of our show. That is the rapid fire round. So Priyanka ji, make sure it's rapid and full of fire. Brace
Let's
yourself.
hope so.
Sure. Brace yourself. Here we go. Your first project.
A house in Pratapnagar.
Project of Udaipur you wish you were a part of.
I am Udaipur.
Okay. One thing you like about your profession.
Uncertainty.
एक ऐसी चीज जो आपको अपनी प्रोफेशन के बारे में नापसंद हो.
Uncertainty.
Again?
Again.
Okay. And one signature style of your projects.
There is no signature.
Okay.
It's spread all over. There's no signature.
Okay.
Yeah.
One thing you would like to change about the architectural field.
It should be more professional.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mean in terms of how clients interact and how you go about?
Everything.
One piece of advice you would want to give to the upcoming architects?
Work hard and harder than you think you can. Designing makes the design better. That is the only way. There is no shortcut. You have to work. You have to design to become a better designer. Yeah.
Design, and that's the only rule.
Yes, no other way.
Which is your most preferred beautiful place?
Barcelona.
Okay.
It would be, yeah.
Any place in India?
In India, I must say Udaipur.
Okay.
It's so scenic and it's so approachable. Within 10 minutes, you are in a different geography.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. We had a wonderful rapid fire session with Priyanka ji.
Thank
and I
you.
hope you enjoyed it. We don't have any hampers as of.
My coffee!
Thank you. तो आज हमारी बात हुई प्रियंका अर्जुन से, जो एक सक्सेसफुल आर्किटेक्ट है since 2006. She has won her firm a lot of awards, namely the Dream Awards for 4 consecutive years and continues to do so. तो आप हमसे जुड़े रहिए, हम ऐसे ही नई पर्सनालिटी से बातचीत करते रहेंगे to know why they are so successful and what is it that they do differently. Stay tuned for our next episode.